I'm Karen, and this is me before my pop-ons. I hadn't always been like this. This is like this because I used to have a goal and it came off, so. But I like to smile. I'm a people person, so I saw Pop on Facebook and decided to give him a try. And I must say, from them sending me my impression kit to them inboxing me, well, emailing me to let me know that everything was fine, to me getting my teeth, I say maybe 2.5 weeks total. And I'm happy. I'll show you guys my teeth later. These are my teeth. This is one of the main reasons why I got the veneers. I used to have a goal and it came off. Luckily my teeth didn't rot, but it is smaller. I smile, but I don't smile a lot at work, and I like to smile. I'm a people person. Plus this on the side. But it's mainly this and this tooth. These are my top veneers. These are my bottoms. This is me without them. And this is me putting them on. And they clip right on. And this is me with them. Yeah. With them on, I smile a lot. My talking is not the same. My singing is not the same. But it'll get there. Get you some. And it was an easy process. I love mine. And you'll love yours.
Today, you got to jump on it because it is totally 100% worth it.